Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing revision of your GK book, and in that row today we are going to do revision of your weather report. Now what do you mean by weather report? And how does the seasons are going to getting changed? So this weather report is very important in knowing the what kind of a season we have or what kind of a weather we have. So that is very important. Earlier, what is the importance of weather report? Now that I am going to tell you. Earlier, what happened, especially the areas which is in sea, near sea, whenever there is some hurricane or that is tsunamis or something like that, so they do not have any report regarding that it is going to be happen, and they were not prepared. Many of time it happens कि जो मछुआरे थे या फिर वो जो लोग जो those who have their houses near the sea and oceans, तो सी के पास, समुद्र के पास जो भी घर थे, they will get into that tsunami and all. तो वेदर रिपोर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग न्यूज़पेपर एट योर होम, तो आप न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पेज पे आप देखोगे, यू विल फाइंड इट आउट दैट वन दैट weather report is given in that. So that weather report is very important, and how you can identify that what kind of a weather you have. Let's say हमने weather report पढ़ ली, हमें पता है that today might be there will be rain, तो हम we will come out from our house अगर हमें बाहर जाना है, and we will prepare by reading that weather report. We will be prepared with umbrella, with gum boot or with raincoat or something we are going to keep it with us. So this weather report is very important. And now the next question, how do we get this weather report? Whom is going to give that weather report? See, weather report is not given by any person. कोई आदमी नहीं ये बताता कि okay ये this will be happen. Now the satellites, different satellites which were sent in the space, which were sent in the area of earth, so there what happened that they will read it out what is supposed to happen over there, कि कैसा weather रहने वाला है for the next 24 hours and what all. So these satellites were sending the images, sending the pictures, sending the report from there only. और उसको जो इसके जो लोग those who were expert in reading that report, वो expert उसको read करके and then they are going to give that report in newspaper or news or on online news or web report, whatever. So ये weather report is very important regarding preparation of anything which is supposed to be happen later. अगर हमें पता है पहले से that flood is going to come, we will prepare for that flood. तो might be that the loss will be there, कि उससे कुछ नुकसान होगा, but that loss will be quite less. Loss जो होगा वो बहुत कम हो जाएगा as compared to that case कि when we are not knowing about कि कब आना है, बाढ़ आनी है, क्या होना है क्या नहीं होना है. So what we have to do कि हमें weather report के लिए we have to prepare for it. Weather report पढ़ के and we have to prepare for it. So now here children, you all are having your friend that is Noe identify the weather icons to help Noe understand the weekly weather report. Now Noe is not knowing by looking at these icons. Icons means they were using different symbols. Like अगर उनको ये बताना है the weather will be rainy, तो एक cloud बन जाएगा, उस पे से बारिश होती हुई दिखाई देगी. तो these icons we are going to use. आपने अगर मोबाइल में भी अगर आपने weather report कभी देखा हो, you will find it out कि वहाँ पे भी corner पे along with the temperature it is coming. So let's start. Monday को कैसा weather रहेगा? Now we are going to make weekly weather report for Noe. Fine. सो वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट हम नोई के लिए बना रहे हैं एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट वेदर दैट ऑल्सो वी विल सी. Now number one, it is very hot today as the sun is shining brightly. It is very hot today as the sun is shining brightly. Now it is dash today. It is shiny today. Fine. The sun is shining brightly, so it is sunny today. Fine. Sunny weather will be there. That sun is shining, so sunny weather is there. So for your help, you have been given with the help box also. You can see this help box and then you can choose your answer from there. So the first one is the sunny weather today. Now what do you mean by sunny weather? Sunny weather means when that sun is shining brightly, धूप निकली हुई होती है, खिली रहती है धूप. एंड इन दैट जब धूप निकलती है, अगर आपको याद हो समर्स में when it's very hot, it's too hot, बहुत गर्मी होती है. Because of that sun is shining brightly, sun चमकता रहता है आसमान में, and just because of that weather कैसा हो जाता है, बहुत ही गर्म. So that is your question number 1. Now come to question number 2. If you are going out, you should carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. Now it is dash weather today. As I told you just now, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था if we have to show it that कि किस तरह का weather है, what kind of a weather is that, तो वो weather कैसे हम दिखाएंगे, with this cloud and rains are coming out from that, कि उसमें से बारिश ऐसे ऐसे गिर रही है. So that is what, that is आपका क्या हो गया, ये आपका rainy weather हो गया. So it is dash weather today, so the answer will be rainy weather today. Now we'll come to number 3. Ask your father to drive carefully. He might not be able to see vehicles clearly because of the weather. Now what kind of a weather we will be having that we won't be able to see और हम clearly नहीं देख पाते हैं. So that is foggy weather. Foggy weather is what kind of a weather? अगर अभी भी आप winters में when you woke up early in the morning, आप बाहर निकलो और if you will go in an open area जहाँ fields होते हैं, खेत वगैरह होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, the temperature is too low. क्यों कम होता है? Because due to transpiration of leaves. अब वो क्या होता है, that I am going to tell you. Transpiration क्या होता है? ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है बच्चे जब डे टाइम होता है, तो डे टाइम में द ट्रीज आर प्रिपेयरिंग देयर फूड, प्लांट्स अपने फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. बट क्या होता है कि जब रात के टाइम में दे फाइंड इट आउट, ओह वी आर गेटिंग एन एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर, हमारे पास पानी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. तो व्हेन दे विल रेस्पायर एट नाइट, जब रेस्पायर करते हैं तो विद दैट दे आर गोइंग टू throw that excess water from their leaves. अब वो leaves से वो excess water को atmosphere में भी छोड़ देते हैं. अभी क्या होता है, वो droplets जो होते हैं that is there on that leaves only. और वो क्या होता है, जब ठंड होती है तो that water vapors which came out from that ना, वही क्या होता है, condense हो जाते हैं and they will form that foggy weather. तो अगर आप फील्ड्स में देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा धुएं जैसा दिखाई देगा, फॉगी काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर विल बी देयर इन विंटर्स. सर्दियों में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. और क्या होता है कि सर्दियों में ऐसा वेदर होता है एंड देन उसको हम एकदम सर्दियों में ऐसा वेदर होता है एंड मोस्टली इन ओपन एरिया. फाइन. आप सिटीज़ में उतना आपको नहीं मिलेगा, उतना आपको बिल्कुल भी, आई डोंट थिंक कि सिटीज़ में इतना ज़्यादा होता है या धुंध होती है या कुछ भी. सो दैट विल नॉट बी देयर. सो नाउ विल कम टू नेक्स्ट नंबर 4. इट इज़ डैश टुडे. एज यू कैन सी दिस cloud you can see. So cold today. So it is cold today. It is a good idea to wear a sweater, a pair of warm socks before going outside. So it is cold today. Cold मतलब ठंड है. अब देखो, because how would I know कि ठंड ही है? Because it is a good idea to wear a sweater. हम स्वेटर कब पहनते हैं? When we are feeling cold. A pair of warm socks हम कब लेते हैं, कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें लगता है कि हाँ ठंड हो रही है. तो in that case we have, it is a cold weather, it is a good idea to wear a sweater and a pair of warm socks before going outside. बाहर जाने से पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम उसको, it's good idea to wear a sweater and a pair of warm socks, कि एक स्वेटर और एक warm socks हम पहन लें. So what kind of a weather? That is cold weather. Now sometime you will get confused with weather and climate. Climate क्या होता है? जो एक climate यानी एक condition of weather जो 2-3 months के लिए या कुछ टाइम के लिए वो स्टेबल रहती है. दैट इज़ योर क्लाइमेट, जिसको हम समर, विंटर, रेनी, ऑटम, स्प्रिंग, दी सीजन, ये सीजन जो है दे आर फाइंडिंग द क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट मतलब वो पर्टिकुलर वहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट रहता है. लेट्स से अगर आप सी शोर पे जाओ तो वहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट रहता है. तो दैट इज अनदर थिंग. वेदर क्या हो गया? वेदर हो गया कि आपको जब स्पेसिफिकली एक सर्टेन दिन का आपको बताना है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर इज देयर टुडे, आज कैसा वेदर है. सो नाउ विल कम टू नंबर 5. होल्ड योर कैप टाइट और इट मे फ्लाई अवे इन दिस वेदर. आपको कैप को टाइटली पकड़ के रखना है और इट मे फ्लाई इन दिस वेदर. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर? किसमें हमारे कपड़े और सारा सामान उड़ जाता है. दैट इज विंडी वेदर. Windy weather that mostly happen with just because of too much heat also. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है. Then also we will be having this windy weather. So that you will remember that hold your cap tight or it may fly away in this windy weather. So children, let's revise this page once again. That is weather report. Weather report, that is identify the weather icons to help Noe understand the weekly weather report. Now here these symbols which you can see, sun का देख रहे हो, cloud का with droplets, cloud भी एकदम foggy जैसा जो हो रहा है, या फिर आप जो ये लास्ट वाला हमने windy वाला किया है. So these kind of a weather report, ये जो आप छोटे छोटे icons देख रहे हो ना, these icons you will get it in मोबाइल ऑल्सो. आप जब न्यूज़पेपर में आप वेदर रिपोर्ट देखोगे यू विल फाइंड इट आउट कि वहाँ पे भी आपको कॉर्नर पे वैसा बना करके दिया हुआ है दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी हैव. तो ये आपको वेदर रिपोर्ट हमने अभी किया. लेट्स रिवाइज इट वंस अगेन एंड देन आई स्टार्ट द न्यू पेज. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द वेदर आइकन्स टू हेल्प नोई टू अंडरस्टैंड द वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट. वीकली वेदर रिपोर्ट अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर टू सी दिस वेदर रिपोर्ट विद ऑल दीज आइकन. अब आपको ये याद रखना है, मंडे को दिस सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. देखो ये ऐसा वाला अगर ब्राइटली सन शाइन करता हुआ दिख रहा है सो इट इज व्हाट काइंड, सनी टुडे. इट इज सनी टुडे कि धूप है आज. फाइन. स्पेशली दिस काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी विल बी गेटिंग इन समर. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ समर में ही मिलता है. समटाइम्स इन रेनी सीजन ऑल्सो. अभी तो सन है, सनी वेदर है, थोड़ी देर बाद देखा देन वी हैव स्टार्टेड रेनिंग ऑल्सो. तो ऐसे करके दिस वेदर इज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग ऑल्सो. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस विल बी देयर फॉर सम टाइम. अब ट्यूजडे को व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए वेदर वी हैव? इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट you should carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. So it is what kind of a weather? That is your rainy weather. And you can see the picture of cloud and that rain is coming out. So that you are going to remember. Now number 3, that ask your father to drive carefully. As you can see this kind of a weather in which you might not be able to see clearly the vehicles because of the foggy weather. Now number 4 is it is dash today. What kind of this Thursday? Wednesday को तो हो गया foggy weather हो गया. Now it is dash today means it is quite cold today, that it is a good idea to wear a sweater and a pair of warm socks before going outside. So that is, it is cold today, that's why we were wearing a sweater and a pair of socks. कोई ऐसा है जो गर्मी में पहन करके जाता हो, गर्मी में पहन के घूमता हो? कोई ऐसा नहीं है. तो भाई अभी क्या है, ठंड है, so we should wear that warm socks and sweater. So now we'll come to number 5. Hold your cap tight or it may fly away in this weather. तो ये फ्राइडे का है वेदर, दैट इज विंडी वेदर. फाइन, कि आपको अपनी कैप टाइटली पकड़ के रखनी है और इट में फ्लाई इन दिस विंडी वेदर. सो दिस ऑल दिस वेदर रिपोर्ट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट एंड रिमेंबर इट अगेन. दिस page that is related to weather report is very important. Now we are going to start with the next page, that is that हम ये कंट्री के बारे में करेंगे, as well as we are going to do it about the states also. तो यहाँ पे मैं I am going to consider the states also. I love my India. Noe needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. So here I am going to talk about the national symbols only. There are different national symbols. Although you all must be knowing it, but still I am taking a revision of this. Number 1, our national animal is, which is a national animal, that is tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Fine. Don't get confused with lion. Ki lion is a national animal. No. Tiger is a national animal. Now we'll come to number 2 question. A national flower is lotus. National flower is lotus. The picture which is given, that is of correct answers. जो पिक्चर में आपको गिवन है, लाइक टाइगर की पिक्चर गिवन है, देन लोटस का फ्लावर गिवन है, देन नेक्स्ट इज अ नेशनल बर्ड, दैट इज पीकॉक इज गिवन, दैट इज, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पीकॉक. So these pictures have been given to make it understand you all कि what is the correct answer and how you have to learn it. When looking at the picture, you can easily conclude that okay, this is the correct answer. Now we'll come to number 4. Our national fruit is the mango. Mango is the national fruit. Now we'll come to why mango is only the national fruit. That also I have told you that in India only we will be getting more than 300 variety of mangoes. So mango comes in the national fruit of India, become the national fruit of India. Now number 5, the national tree is the banyan tree. The national tree is the banyan tree. Don't give that pronunciation banyan tree. It's not banyan tree, it is banyan tree. Now number 6, our national emblem is, which is a national emblem, the lion capital, which is our national emblem. Ashok Chakra is not a national emblem. National emblem you might have seen on army person or those who are there in defense. उनकी कैप पे वो ऐसा भारत का ऐसा माँ के बना रहता है national emblem, having 4 lions in it. 4 lions होते हैं. अशोक चक्र is there in your flag, वो flag में present होता है. But here जो ये है lions capital, in which we were having 4 lions, जिसमें हमारे पास 4 lions होते हैं. These 4 lions were there in our national emblem. वो हमारे national emblem में these 4 lions were there. So these are the few questions which is related to your capital of our country. So now I am going to revise, I will make you revise the 2 pages which we have done in our previous class. That also we are going to revise it. That is who lives where. Who lives where. So Noe friends live in different states of India, although in our online class we have done revision of these different states, and I have told you that you have to learn about these different states. आपको मैंने online class में भी बोला था that you have to learn about these different states. So whatever states have been given in your book that you are going to do it. Apart from that, you have to learn different states like not only Kolkata and this Gandhinagar and all. So you have to remember different states, like few of the children they have learned also different name of the states, because India is formed by combining 28 states. India may already we have 28 states. So if you are going to start learning it, that 1, 2, 3, 4 capitals, states and their capital and their regional languages. Few of the questions I have told you earlier also, that regional languages or the total official languages in India is 22. Total number of states is 28. And this Noe's friend live in different states of India. Now we are going to help Noe to guess the different states. Now Arnab lives in Kolkata. Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to, yes, I hope you all are knowing this answer, that is West Bengal. Now one more thing, that Bengal, the folk dance is Bengali dance, and they are a big huge producer of Bengali saris also. And this Durga Puja is the festival which is celebrated at this time, this Navratri festival, when we will be having this Navratri of this Dashera one. So in that, on 7th day they started praying this goddess Durga. They will keep the idol of goddess Durga, and then mostly the people those who belongs to West Bengal, they celebrate this Durga Puja very often. So now this Arnab lives in Kolkata. So Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. So here the correct answer will be West Bengal. Folk dance also I am telling you. Regional language of Bengal is Bengali. The people those who are speaking or those who are living over there, they are speaking Bengali. So the regional language become Bengali. तो बेटा इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. इफ आई आस्क की व्हाट इज द रीजनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट प्लेस, तो रीजन में जो भी भाषा बोली जाती है, लेट्स से उत्तर प्रदेश के रीजन में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे वर स्पीकिंग भोजपुरी, तो यहाँ की रीजनल लैंग्वेज क्या हो गई है, भोजपुरी हो गई है. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू दैट पर्टिकुलर state, that is West Bengal. Now we'll come to number 2. Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and loves to play dandiya. So she belongs to, now Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So she speaks Gujarati. Regional language will become Gujarati, and folk dance of Gujarat will be dandiya. And Gujaratis, they fond of eating different dishes, hokla, fafda, thepla, and many more dishes were there, which are quite famous from Gujarat. Gujarat say all these dishes are quite famous. So that also you will remember, regional language is Gujarati. Now we'll come to number 3. That Vinod lives in Mumbai. You can see that 2 children on this left side. On this left side, see, these 2 children, they were praying Ganpati Bappa ji, Ganpati or Ganesh ji. Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi. Again, Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra, and they speaks Marathi. It means their regional language is Marathi, which is one of the official languages. And they celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. They very often play this, celebrating this Ganesh Chaturthi. They love to play. Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival of 11 days. इसमें क्या करते हैं, दे विल कीप द आइडियल्स ऑफ गणपति जी, जो गणेश जी होते हैं उनके आइडियल्स, जो छोटी छोटी मूर्तियों को दे विल स्थापित करते हैं, दे आर कीपिंग इट आर होम फॉर 11 days, फिर उनको विसर्जित करते हैं इन दैट वाटर, रिवर में, और इफ दे डू नॉट हैव रिवर तो ओशंस में, वहाँ पे सबमर्ज करके आते हैं. सो दैट इज देयर. सो विनोद लिव्स इन मुंबई एंड ही स्पीक्स मराठी and celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. So mostly Maharashtrian people celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi a lot. ये गणेश चतुर्थी का जो फेस्टिवल है that was celebrated in Mumbai or in Maharashtra maximum. But now a few of the festival which were celebrated in rest of the country also. कंट्री के दूसरे एरियाज में, दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी दे स्टार्टेड सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑल दीज फेस्टिवल. सो दैट इज अगेन एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. मुंबई में व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट विच इज फेमस, दैट इज गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. सो दैट ऑल्सो यू विल रिमेंबर. गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया किसने बनवाया था? गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया बनवाया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने. व्हेन देयर फर्स्ट क्वीन एलिजाबेथ वाज कमिंग टू आवर country, तो उनको वेलकमिंग के लिए they have made it. So that you are going to make it, or that you are going to remember. Now we'll come to fourth one. Meena lives in Chennai and speaks Tamil. Now about Tamil, what is important? Tamil is the oldest language in the history of India. India की सबसे पुरानी भाषा, that is what? That is Tamil. So Tamil, the people those who are living in Tamil Nadu, they specially speak Tamil. तो वहाँ की जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज है that will become Tamil. रीजनल लैंग्वेज तमिल हो गई. And then capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and she celebrates Pongal. Means that Meena who lives in Chennai, which is the new name of Madras. Chennai जो है that is capital city of Tamil Nadu, and earlier the name of Chennai is Madras. तो पहले इसका नाम क्या था? चेन्नई का मद्रास था नाम. And they celebrates, she celebrates Pongal. Now what do you mean by this Pongal? Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल होता है जब भी नई फसल आती है, राइस जब हटाया जाता है, निकाला जाता है, देन एट दैट टाइम दे वर सेलिब्रेटिंग पोंगल. और जो इसका एक पार्ट होता है, जो भी वॉट एवर दे हैव ग्रोन इन देयर फील्ड, उसका एक पार्ट जो होता है दैट विल बी गिवन टू द गॉड. वो गॉड को दिया जाता है, गॉड सन को, दैट विल बी गिवन टू देम. सो दैट ऑल्सो यू आर गोइंग टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड दैट तमिलनाडु, the regional language is Tamil, that capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Okay, now they celebrate Pongal. So all these things you will do it. Now we'll come to number 5, that Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. He belongs to Punjab. करण जो है वो कहाँ रहता है? चंडीगढ़ में रहता है. एंड ही सेलिब्रेट्स लोहरी एंड स्पीक्स पंजाबी. वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लोहरी एंड दे स्पीक्स पंजाबी. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू विच स्टेट? सो ही बिलोंग्स टू पंजाब. नाउ पंजाब एंड हरियाणा, दे बोथ आर शेयरिंग अ कॉमन कैपिटल. पंजाब का भी कैपिटल हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ है, and the capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. So that you are going to remember. Now this I am going to show it to you. ये मैं जो आपको chapters अब करा रही हूँ, this I am showing you from your book. आपकी बुक का ही है, with pictures. So you will remember this all the questions with these pictures itself. Now number 5, Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi, so he belongs to Punjab. Now we'll come to number 6. Number 6 is what? Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Now Dispur is the capital city of Assam. So she belongs to Assam. So Brinda lives in Dispur. Here the regional language of Assam is Assamese. So that is used in their official work also. So that is again an official language. As you can see that all in these 6 states, you will be having 6 different languages. 6 states में 6 different languages है. So out of that we will be able to understand means अगर 6 different languages अलग अलग है, it means that regional languages मैंने आपको बताया official languages of India is 22. So that is purely correct. वो बिल्कुल सही है. क्यों सही है? Because that 22 states were 22 languages were there from 28 states. Some of the states are sharing a common regional languages like Uttar Pradesh Hindi is there, Bihar Hindi is there, Jharkhand Hindi is there, Uttarakhand that is Garhwali is there, but that is Chhattisgarh. There also they were sharing this Hindi only. तो कुछ जगह पे तो हिंदी ही है and rest of the states they were having their own regional languages. So children, in today's class we have revised this who lives where, that is your chapter that is related to states and capital. So I hope you all have understood the name of different states and its capital, and you have understood this also that you have to learn about different states. So now here I am going to finish the class for today, and I'll give you a quick revision what we have done today. So let's start with that. First we have done with making a living. What do we do for getting money for our daily need? That we have done. After that we have done I love my India, different national symbols we have done, and then very important part of this chapter, that is after making a living, then we have to do I love my India and then who lives where. See, आपको states and capital तो याद करना है, that is for must.